How to install and use the EK43 magnetic dosing cup. Using the EK43S as an example, the installation and use of the EK43 are the same. These are the accessories for installing the magnetic dosing cup, and the included tools includes a flathead screwdriver, a hexagonal screwdriver, hexagonal screw, a magnetic support plate, and a magnetic dosing cup. First, remove the original powder ejector. The ejector is secured with 4 flathead screws. Remove them one by one. Removal tips. The last screw is difficult to locate. Twist the ejector in a circle for easier removal. After removal, clean the powder outlet. This area is prone to coffee grounds and grease buildup. Replace with after installing the magnetic support. Cleaning will be easier. Remove the gasket from the bottom of the powder ejector and clean it thoroughly. Then, remove the magnetic support and flip it over. Align the gasket holes with the screw holes. Install it on the grinder with the gasket facing up. Secure the magnetic support with 4 hexagon socket screws. Screw them in one by one. During installation, do not tighten them yet to help the other screws find their correct position. Finally, tighten them one by one. Next, install the grind adjustment knob. Adjust the original knob to the 0 grind setting. Hold the knob with one hand to prevent it from turning during disassembly. Use the included hexagon socket screwdriver to tighten the 2 securing screws. Once loosened, the knob can be removed easily. After removal, clean it thoroughly. Remove the silver metal knob and install it on the grinder. Be careful not to twist it during installation to avoid affecting the grind size. If you experience any resistance during installation, do not force it. You can remove it and adjust the angle before installing. After installation, move the grind size indicator to 0. The mounting method is the same as the original, secured with 2 hexagonal screws. Once installed, test the results. Weigh 18 grams of coffee beans and pour them into the bean hopper. Adjust the grind size to the desired setting. Install the magnetic powder cup and begin normal grinding. Due to the powder outlet channel, the powder collection cup is significantly reduced. Powder residue in the channel has been effectively improved. The entire cup is made of aluminum alloy, which is less prone to static electricity. The inner diameter of the cup is 58.5 mm, making it a perfect fit for the handle. Because both the cup and handle are relatively heavy, the magnet can help secure the cup, but it cannot completely hold it in place. After snapping on the handle, turn it upside down and shake it thoroughly. The 8 built-in steel needles effectively distribute and loosen the powder. The bottom of the cup also has a diameter of 58.5 mm, making it suitable for emergency tamping. For any questions about the magnetic cup, please feel free to contact us via comments or private message. The last video talked about how to use the EK43 magnetic dosing cup. Today we will take a look at the ability of the magnetic dosing cup to distribute and loose grinds. 805 mm steel needles are interspersed inside the dosing cup. It can effectively play the role of distribute and loose grinds. How is the effect of the loose grinders of the magnetic dosing cup? Let us do 3 sets of comparison. Experiments. Weigh 18 grams of coffee beans per experiment. Grinding degree is 1/8 frames. The first experiment is after the coffee beans are ground. Buckle up the handle and shake it fully. Through the 8 steel needles inside, fully distribute the coffee grinds. In order to eliminate the impact of the tamping, use a constant force tamper. The second set of prerequisites is the same. The difference is that it doesn't T-shake the grinds. Do not use grinds dispenser to distribute grinds, just tamp it. And then the third set didn't shake the grinds. Use the grinds distributor to fully distribute the grinds. Other conditions were the same as the other 2 groups. 3 separate extractions were performed. Let us see how the extraction works. You can see it compared to non-distribution grinds. Full shaking of the magnetic dosing cup can effectively improve the extraction, greatly reduces the channel effect, but compared to fully distributed grinds, the magnetic cup still has some splashing phenomenon. The conclusion is, the ability of the magnetic cup to distribute grinds and loose grinds is obvious. The distribution grinds injection can be omitted. but the grinds dispenser is still necessary. Let us continue testing. Today, we retesting the effectiveness of the magnetic dosing cup and the air blower kit. If you have any questions, please send us a private message or comment below the video. We will arrange it as soon as possible. Replace the bean hopper. With the air blower kit, the coffee beans used in this experiment are medium roast. Weigh 18 grams of coffee beans at a time for grinding. After grinding, weigh the beans without the air blower kit, then weigh them again with the air blower kit. Observe the weight change before and after use. After grinding, weigh the beans directly to see the direct output. The direct output weight is 17.9 grams. Then replace the coffee cup and repeatedly press the air blower kit. When using the air blower kit, gentle pressure will not affect the magnetic cup as magnetic attraction. However, if you hit the aerator kit hard, the dosing cup will easily be blown off due to its excellent sealing performance. When using the aerator kit with the magnetic cup, it is best to hold the cup with one hand to prevent it from falling. Weighed again, the weight was 18.0 grams. For the rigor of the experiment, we tested it twice more. The second time, the weight was 78 grams, and the powder output after aeration was 17.9 grams. The third time, the weight was still 17.8 grams, and the weight after aeration was 17.9 grams. Experimental conclusion: the aerator kit combined with the magnetic cup can further reduce coffee grounds residue. When using the two together, it is best to hold the cup with one hand to prevent it from falling. Are you still struggling with cleaning your grinder? Do you spend a long and meticulous cleaning each time, yet the results are less than ideal? Today, let us take a look at cleaning the EK43 magnetic dosing cup and comparing it to cleaning the stock coffee hopper. Before cleaning, perform a normal coffee grind, then clean. Both machines will leave some residual coffee grounds during use. See the comparison videos from previous issues. The residual coffee grounds in the magnetic dosing cup are concentrated at the coffee outlet. The magnetic drag plate design is very simple, making cleaning even easier and more convenient. Just use a brush and brush repeatedly to remove all residual coffee grounds. The stock coffee hopper, on the other hand, will throw residual coffee grounds everywhere, including inside the channel. If left unattended for a long time, cleaning will be extremely difficult. In contrast, the magnetic dosing cup offers significantly improved cleaning performance and convenience compared to the original powder ejector. Cleaning the cup is also very convenient. The magnetic cup can be disassembled into 4 parts. For daily cleaning, simply remove the bottom plate and use a brush to remove the coffee grounds inside the cup. After cleaning, screw it back on and continue using it. A deep clean is also very convenient. The cup can be completely disassembled to thoroughly clean every corner of the cup. Please note that water washing is not recommended. It requires a very high drying temperature after washing. Especially avoid washing in the dishwasher.
哒啦哒哒哒哒。
专业的高端咖啡机品牌服务商。